Adding a Facebook pixel to ClickFunnels 2.0 enables you to track visitor actions, measure campaign success, and optimize your ad targeting. Follow these steps. Get your Facebook pixel code. Log into your Facebook Ads Manager. Navigate to Events Manager Pixels. Click Add Pixel and follow the prompts to generate a pixel ID. Log into ClickFunnels 2.0. Go to ClickFunnels 2.0 and access your dashboard. Add pixel to your funnel or website. From the dashboard, click Settings for the specific funnel or website where you want to add the pixel. Locate the Head Tracking Code section in the settings. Insert Facebook pixel code. Copy your pixel base code from Facebook Events Manager. Paste the code into the Head Tracking Code field. Save your settings. Test the pixel integration. Use Facebook's Pixel Helper Chrome extension to ensure the pixel is firing correctly on your ClickFunnels pages. Visit your funnel pages and confirm the events are logged in Facebook Events Manager.